Hello junior programmers. Let's start by the structure of the main.dot. Main.dot have a main function, which is the first function that's executed when the app's running. You can use the negative and the plus sign to collapse and expand your codes. This is the main class. It's my app class, which is called by the main function. It has a material app function that's returned to build your app. This class called my home page class, which take the title of your app as a parameter. You can change this title like Theta app. It's a string variable. So let's add Theta app and run our app. We'll reload our app. Now you see the title have changed in the app bar to Theta app. Now let's take a look at my home page class. It's a stateful widget. We will talk more about stateful widget and stateless widget. You see there's a comment. In Dart we use / for comments like this. And we can also add a to-do. It's a / with to-do in capital letters, so we can find all our to-dos. This is generally used when you have a large app and you have some function that you need or some codes that you need to return to them. Later in your coding process. Now let's delete all this and start our app from scratch. Text and centers. We collapsed our scaffold widget and then deleted all. This is the body of your class, of your stateful class that controls your current page. It takes a title, which is already have been added as Theta app. So let's start and add a text, which is a widget that takes a string variable. Let's type hello. Then I start reload our app. It's better to add a constant. Constant is it means that this part of your code won't be reloaded and static. That means it can be changed when your app is running. Now, like you see, we have a clean page only with hello world. This means there is no layers. It's only hello world that have been run. Now let's try and add the center widget. Just copy or cut. Command and X to cut this command and save it for later use. The center is a widget that takes a child. Every widget that takes one widget inside it, it called a child. So this child will be a text widget. Now let's reload our app and see what center widget does. It puts the widget in the center of the current page. Now let's go for Scaffold. Scaffold is a specific widget that organizes your code, or it has a specialized widget that organizes your code with 3 parts: a body, app bar, and button navigation. Let's start with the body. With hello world. Let's type constant to make Dart happy. How to reload? You see, it's much more better. You might ask where is the hello world. It's on the upper left corner of your app. You can see only tip of the word. Let's solve that and add a center widget with a child text. Now this is much more better. Hello will move to the center of your screen. So the body will take any kind of widget. Let's move to the app bar. App bar is the upper part of your app. You see in some apps there is a unchangeable part in the upper of the app bar. It takes a lot of parameters. You can see all of them. This is a good thing about Android Studio and Dart and Flutter plugins. It will give you suggestions. Now let's just take the title. It will take a text. Let's call it Theta app. Now this app bar, most upper part of your app, let's give it a parameter like a center title, which can be a bool variable. If you make it true. That means your title will be in the center. Change it to false, your title will take the left side with the default part. Next, let's talk about bottom navigation bar. Now let's talk about bottom navigation bar. It's used to navigate or to move from screen to screen. Now, bottom navigation bar have items. Each item is a bottom navigation bar item, which take two parameters: an icon, as we can take ABC for example. Let's copy and paste this item. It will also take another parameter, a label, appear next to the item. Let's take the first one as ABC, and let's change the second one so it can be clear for something like copying and copying. Now let's run our app. See, in the bottom part there's two icons. This the basic clean for Flutter with Scaffold. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson.